You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words and clarify the pronunciation in English. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary like this, become an expert. Stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Those two words are pronounced exactly the same way. They are homophones, meaning they have the exact same pronunciation. Sight, the top word, has both British and American English pronunciation that are similar. Sight, the top word is the faculty of power or power of seeing, the sight. You know, it's a sense. Sight, you got hearing, touch, sight. Now, the bottom word is a site, as in a place, a location. Those two words are pronounced the same, different meaning, same pronunciation. How to pronounce in English? Sight. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.